following content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This content should not be taken as medical advice.
Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 146. Did you know that smoking and vaping can cause both hearing loss and tinnitus? Yes, that annoying ringing noise, that can be caused by smoking and vaping. Researchers have known for over 50 years that smoking can cause hearing loss. We've also really understood the mechanics of how this works for a long time. At the 10,000 foot view, as smoke enters the lungs, it limits the amount of oxygen transferred into the bloodstream. As that deoxygenated blood flows through the system, cells that need oxygen and other nutrients, especially highly vascular areas such as the inner ear, get starved of nutrition, eventually causing cell death, which causes hearing loss. So how does this link to tinnitus? Well, quite frankly, the number one cause of tinnitus is hearing loss. So when something causes hearing loss, it can then therefore cause tinnitus down the road. Luckily, prevalence of smoking in the United States has been going down significantly over the past few decades. Unfortunately, e-cigarette use and vaping has actually been going up. The number of Americans that are using e-cigarettes now is estimated to be about 6.7%. The majority of these people in the fastest growing segment are people age 18 to 25. These people, 18 to 25, are starting to report increased hearing difficulties, understanding difficulties, and even low-grade tinnitus or ringing in the ears. It all seems to be associated with vaping and hearing loss. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps keep me motivated to put out this educational and entertainment content. I hope that this information regarding smoking, vaping, and hearing loss, even at a 10,000 foot view, has given you some insights and will help you talk to a loved one about reducing the amount of time that they're smoking and vaping and hopefully stopping altogether. It's better for their health all around. I know I generally don't give medical advice on this channel, but this at this point is not medical advice, it's just common sense. If you have any other topics that you'd like to see me cover, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.